Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, friends, I am again with you along with some new, very beautiful, fresh, latest designer style, handmade, hand embroidered face masks. These face masks are reusable, washable, lightweight, and you can wear them easily throughout the whole day without any rashes or any allergic reactions on your face. These face masks are very suitable and favorable for this very dangerous pandemic coronavirus situation, as the first and the most essential precautionary measure that you have to take while going out in these hard days is to make sure that you have wear a mask. And for giving a stylish, unique and chic look to the entire dressing sense, we need some sort of designer style or some decorated with beautiful embroidery or some beautiful handwork masks. So this video is in continuation of my other videos, into which I have been sharing very beautiful hand embroidered, silk ribbon embroidered, machine embroidered, handmade, very beautiful face mask designs. Friends, kindly do watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing and stylish ideas related to the designing of face masks. And if you have any queries or any suggestions or any interests, then kindly comment below the video. We will make sure that we could share all the possible design patterns and styling ideas. So if you are a non-subscriber or new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, then kindly do subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And one more thing, if you want to see or get ideas of some more face mask designs, then go to my channel's playlist face masks, and on that playlist you will get a number of design ideas that how you can design your face masks and at the same time you could look classy and chic. So friends, not only this, on my channel you can get all type of design ideas related to women fashion, dress designing, mehndi designs, jewelry designs, footwear, handbags, baby dress designing, baby footwear, handmade handbags, footwear, and much more related to girls fashionable accessories. So thank you so much for watching the video. Stay blessed and keep watching our content and keep loving us like this. Don't forget to watch my videos on daily basis.